Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Condrey Corporation. At Condrey, over the years, we've been focused on helping customers of all types and sizes across the world with the management of unstructured data for millions of people. In our initial conversations with customers, many times we start the discussion with an understanding of what unstructured data actually is, its impact on organizations, and the challenges it presents in terms of management and security. So, we thought that making a short video around those conversations would be valuable for many. So, let's dive in. For many of us, data security and management is a large and confusing topic. It's a challenge to wrap our heads around the concepts of what data even actually means. But, like most things, it's simpler if we break it down. A great place to start is with understanding the two main types of data that our organizations must deal with: structured data and unstructured data. Ironically, the simplest way to understand exactly what unstructured data really is to define its companion, structured data. Okay, what is structured data? It is data that is organized and stored in a format with a well-defined structure. The information is typically organized into records using tables, rows, and columns with clear relationships and constraints. It's usually generated by machines and/or application systems. As such, usually structured data is housed in a database and accessed via some front-end application. Okay, so what about the unstructured data? Well, it's pretty much everything else. It's the documents, spreadsheets, proposals, contracts, presentations, images, audio, and video files that we all produce and consume every day. It's the things that you create with Word, Excel, PowerPoint. It's the PDFs, MP4s, architectural designs, research data, invoices, homework assignments, and all those pictures of your cat. You know, all that stuff. But how much of that stuff do we really have? The amount of unstructured data within a typical company can vary depending on the nature of the business. However, it's generally accepted that the majority of data in most organizations is unstructured, and that it can account for about 80 to 90% of the total data generated and managed by a typical company. So, even in a small organization, it's a lot. So, why should we care about unstructured data? Well, there are many reasons, such as controlling sprawl, ensuring compliance, and streamlining operations for the organization. But security alone is a pretty compelling reason in today's environment. Many data breaches and most ransomware attacks target unstructured data. And for good reason. As we've seen, it's the majority of the data. But also, most of the time, it contains the lifeblood of the organization. Think for a moment about your organization's most valuable data. The crown jewels. You know, the stuff that, if lost or compromised, would most hurt. Maybe it's company strategy, or merger and acquisition information, research data for a groundbreaking project, or intellectual property. Whatever it is, chances are, some or all of it is unstructured data. Okay, well, hopefully this has helped create a better understanding of what unstructured data actually is, what place and value it occupies in your organization, and the challenges it presents. If you want to have a more in-depth conversation about your unstructured data, whether it's managing it, securing it, or just understanding it, please reach out to us. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.